Hi guys, it's Tani. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a bit of a different video. I am going to try out the HISMILE teeth whitening kit. On Boxing Day, HISMILE had a 30% off sale, so their teeth whitening kit and everything else was 30% off on the website. So I had it arrive just a couple of days ago. It came in a big box like this. In the kit you've got the teeth whitening kit, so this is what I've ordered, and I also ordered the day and night toothpaste here. Just to give a bit of backstory, I have had braces as a teenager, and as I do like grind my teeth and bite down, I also do wear a splint a lot of the time, so it's kind of like a retainer, which has caused quite a bit of discoloration on my teeth. So I find them to be quite this is weird to describe teeth, but they can be quite patchy in some areas. Yeah, I've been kind of self-conscious about it over the last few months more than any other time, so I thought while there's a sale on, I may as well give it a go and try it and see if it actually works. Alright, so in the kit here you see straight away that there is the little chart here, so it might be a little bit too bright. There we go. Chart, so I will see about that one in a sec. And then when you open the kit here, it just looks like this. So you've got 3 syringes at the top here, and then you've got I think that's the light, and then the mouth guard. Okay, so the instructions say use once a day for 6 days. Each gel contains 2 uses. Okay, so first of all we take this out. Open cover to remove plastic tag from LED light battery. Turn and pull to, so what? Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, 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 gosh. Okay, so the plastic is out. Attach mouth tray to LED light. Okay, so this is your mouth tray here. Don't know why I smelled it, but I did. How do you get this on? Okay, it's on, it's on, it's on. Ah, alrighty. Okay, what I might actually do is just quickly go and brush my teeth before I put the gel on the thingo. So I will be right back. So teeth are brushed. So what I'm going to do now, oh there's more on the back. Brush teeth before whitening, use 1 application at night before bed. So it says to also take a before and after photo to compare results. So I might actually do that. Okay, that'll do. Now I was just looking before to try and see what number I'll be. I feel like I'm at like a 5 or a 6. Okay, maybe more a 5. So let's see if anything happens. We need to get a syringe out. Apply 1/4 of the gel to the top of the tray along the line and 1/4 onto the bottom. Okay. Okay, and then I think we just put it in. Alrighty, so I have just waited 10 minutes and then I took out the mouth guard and I have brushed my teeth, and mind you I did brush my teeth using the HISMILE toothpaste as well. So I mean, I don't notice a difference after 1 use. I might actually just film a little video on my phone in natural lighting of my teeth, and then we can compare it on the last day. I just don't want the bright lights to affect how like my teeth look. Yeah, I will keep you guys updated throughout the week if they do improve or if I don't notice anything happening at all. To be honest, my expectations are actually pretty low. I have tried teeth whitening products before and they've never worked for me, so I don't know, we'll just see what happens. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow and we will but yeah, I will see you tomorrow and we will check back in and see how it's going. Okay everyone, so it is day 3 of doing HISMILE. I don't notice any difference at all, which is kind of disappointing. I don't know, like I've only done 3, but it says you're supposed to see results like within 6 days. So I'm hoping that I should be seeing some good results soon. This is what they look like. They actually look okay on the camera at the moment, but in real life they don't really look any different. So fingers crossed I see some changes like tomorrow or over the next couple of days. But yeah, I will check back in with you tomorrow if I remember. Bye. Okay, so I completely forgot to film my day 6. Actually, I didn't forget. I was in bed, super tired, and just did not feel like filming myself. So that's that. It has been 7 days since I started doing HISMILE. I have a few opinions. I think what we might as well start by doing is checking to see where my teeth are at now. So I think from memory last time I was at like a 5 or a 6. Before I even put this against my mouth, I noticed absolutely no difference at all. I have not seen any improvement in my teeth. So I'll see what it looks like on the chart here, and maybe I can put in 2 photos side by side just so we can see if there is a difference or not. Honestly, like, I feel like I'm still at a 5. I don't know, I just don't feel like I've seen any change at all. I'll see what my before and after photos look like, and I can insert them here so we can have a look. But yeah, I don't know, I think that, to be honest, I think HISMILE definitely works, but I don't think it works for certain like teeth conditions. I don't know, because my personal experience does not work at all. But maybe if you were if you didn't have braces and all the retainers and stuff, maybe it would work. I don't know. Or maybe if it's food related, because I don't drink that much coffee. I have coffee sometimes, but I don't have it every day. So I don't really know what the main cause of this is. But all in all, I think that it probably does work for the right people. So I'm not going to slam it, but I was pretty disappointed, to be fair, because I was like, oh my gosh, like everyone sees the results, this is amazing. But I didn't. So I don't know, you can make up your own mind, but I'm still going to try maybe something else, see if something out there works. But yeah, unfortunately I just don't feel like it worked for me. But anyway, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I hope you've learned a little bit about HISMILE. If you have enjoyed it, please remember to give it a like, and also subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!